Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. So I wanted to continue this little brush series. Next we're going to be talking about contour brushes. So contour brushes are obviously to, contour your face. They are used for liquid contour and powder contour. So I figured I would just show you guys a few of the different styles of brushes that you can use for contouring your face. So the first one is going to be an angled brush. Now this is what it looks like. As you can see, it sort of has an angle on the end and then it slopes down. And these are obviously used, so these are used to go ahead and contour your face. So you would put the higher end up towards your ear and then it just goes down like that. You can also use this for your forehead. So this is the first type of contouring brush. And also they're a little more fluffy as well. They're not as dense, but they're not as fluffy as like a powder brush. The next type of brush is a fan brush. So this is what a fan brush looks like. It looks just like a fan. And that's also used to contour your face. So you would just go ahead and bring it down here. You can use it here. You can use it for your forehead contour. And also these brushes work really well for a highlight as well. So if you had a smaller one of these, you could put highlight powder on there and just use that to highlight your cheeks. And that is what a fan brush looks like. And then another one that is for contouring is this brush. I think this one works well for a cream contour. It's more dense like a foundation brush, and you would just put your contour on and then just tap it on. And I don't use this one very often because I don't use cream contours, I use a powder contour. So you can use any kind of brush you want. If it works for you and it's not meant to work that way, use it anyway. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick little guideline on what these different brushes look like and what their actual purpose is for. But like I said, if it works for you, use it however way you want. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys like this quick little video. If you guys have any questions about any brushes, make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. That one's short as hell.